Hi, welcome to the fourth tutorial of Thrinno's Fast Quotation software. So, what we've got here is a model imported in the 3D renderer. We already set our profile settings and now we can starting to optimize for the orientation. So first of all, you can click here for generating orientations, then different orientations are calculated for the given model. When you generated these different orientations, you can click the calculate button and then all those different orientations are calculated. So in this case I already calculated the part because it can take some minutes and I didn't want to do this for the tutorial. So when we've got all these different orientations and we've got all the different prices and quality losses, then you can visualize these results by clicking this button for a graph. In the vertical direction you see the quality loss scores, and on the horizontal axis there are the different prices. So this graph will help you to make a nice trade-off between price and quality. For instance, for this given model we can see like the two best points on the Pareto curve are these two ones, which are very similar. You can also have a look at this graph to see which trade-off is the most important one. So if we have a look at this one, the enclosed support is quite big in this graph. So we can click on the algorithm to see the result of enclosed support. In this case, there are some spaces that will be difficult where there will be support and it will be quite difficult to remove the support. So this is an algorithm that helps you detecting the problems for finishing. Next to that, there is also distortion will be the second biggest problem. It's not really a problem here because the object was optimized specifically for metal AM, so it's quite nice and it will not be a very big problem. So this model is actually very printable. A score of 23% is low, and that's a good sign because the lower the score, the lower the quality loss. So all scores below 50% are normally considered to be printable. But of course this is just an intuitive measure. Okay, so when you've chosen the appropriate orientation of all these orientations, you can say, okay, let's take this one, and you can access all these different algorithms to see like the support that will need finishing, thin walls, checks, the total support volume of the part that will be needed, etc. Also, there is enclosed powder detection. For instance, I'll take the bunny once again. I toggle this one invisible, so we only see the bunny, and then if we calculate this part, only for one orientation to speed up the calculation time, and we click the result of the enclosed powder, we see very clearly that there is lots of enclosed volume here. Also, there will be lots of enclosed support in this object. So this is the way to visualize the results of the algorithms, to view the different prices, the different quality scores, and the visualization of making a trade-off between price and quality. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Next video is about making a quotation.